And I see a lot of threats. I see a lot of veiled threats. At least I smell a lot of it, which is unfortunate. Shobha De must be a scared person at the end of the day. And I'm saying it loud and clear. Why should she be scared? She has articulated a view. Why should personal comments be made about this lady? For whatever it is worth. I think that is unfair, that's unfortunate, and this is a culture of...
Well, I'll say one thing. No, I want to say one thing. I want to say one thing. Nitin, you want to comment? I just want to say one thing. Shobha De will come on Newsa and take on the Shiv Sena MNS tonight, right now in a few minutes. This is the only channel in which she will take them on, and then we can have an open debate. And Nitin, you can tell her what you think, and Bharat Kumar Rao, you can tell her what you think, and let's have that debate as well. But Nitin Sardesai wanted to come in.
I just want to raise one
Who's your question to?
Which is that, you know, I don't even believe that this is the voice of any ordinary person on the streets of Mumbai.
What is not a voice?
What the leaders of the various parties are saying. They have arrogated to themselves the voice of the people. I don't think anyone in Mumbai has taken any cognizance of this tweet. Everyone, the leaders...
You think the political parties are trying to make it an issue?
They are, that I said, but also I don't think they're even representing the voice of the people.
You're forgetting as if there are only two parties. There are other parties.
They've all said it.
One at a time.
Congress has not said anything. NCP has not said anything.
NCP has said.
You see,
because Congress has not said anything. Congress is a leading party here. So you cannot say all political parties are
political parties are very choosy and picky in our country. Today, I would like the country's political parties, including the MNS, to come together and form a coalition for that young 28-year-old IAS officer who's being persecuted in Uttar Pradesh. No political party builds a coalition for that. They all come together to take on Shobha De. I mean, there must be a better thing to do. Nitin Sardesai.
I strongly object to what she said. She said that nobody is taking cognizance of this. How can it be when channel like this is taking a cognizance, then everybody is aware of it. So there are so many people talking about it.
Why you took cognizance
if it is not important, then why are we sitting here?
Sir, can I say something? Channels like this would not have taken cognizance if politicians like you, because all the politicians of the state of Maharashtra decided that they will jump over each other in attacking Shobha De.
It seems like politicians have no right to say anything in this country. If they say something, it's wrong.
No,
that's say something, it's not. It's right. Politicians have done.
Shobha De has expressed her opinion, which is perhaps uncomfortable and unacceptable to you. Yeah. So let her say that.
Exactly. On that,
it is so ahistorical, a political statement in which majority of the people will not subscribe. Exactly. She knows that. And therefore, why not ignore that?
I would like to speak of one word. On this, I would like to say that if we, all political, not we, political parties, whoever expressed their displeasure over that, if they had not done it, then after a few days, Mr. Arnab Goswami and all other channels would have jumped. Why didn't you protest that time?
What?
So
it is our legit.
It is our.
No, what's
it is our
MLA. She's not MLC. She's not a corporator. She's not
and moral right.
She has a right to make her own statement. She's not making a political statement from any party.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
It is her personal statement. You call it idiotic. You call it nonsense.
Exactly.
But that's it.
Exactly.
There it ends. Why there is so much you and cry?
No. If I had said it is idiotic and nonsense, you would have said it is a personal. Then you would say it is a personal.
Whatever you want to say about that statement is absolutely person to person. It has no business.
No. When it goes on social media, it does not remain personal.
On Facebook,
it does not remain personal.
On Facebook, they say such things like nonsense and idiotic.
She has made a political
if she has made a tweet, if she has made a tweet, you can respond on tweet.
In September,
the tweet comes on television.
But that tweet is not a political tweet.
My God.
It is a personal opinion, personal expression, expressed in personal way. So later have our own tweets.
One sec. Viewers are asking where Shobha De. She's going to join our debate in just a couple of minutes. The question is this: do politicians look for a soft target? Because I didn't hear Raj Thackeray or Uddhav Thackeray or anybody else or the Congress or the NCP say anything about the former Prime Minister of Singapore, Lee Kuan Yew, who said in September 2008, and I quote Lee Kuan Yew. Lee Kuan Yew said, if Mumbai is to become like Singapore, it must become a separate province of state. It is what China has done to develop its cities, make them separate provinces dealing directly with Beijing. I had a meeting with Deputy Chief Minister R.R. Patil on how to turn Mumbai into Singapore during my visit to Mumbai 18 months ago. I asked the Deputy Chief Minister who controls Mumbai. He told me the city was under Maharashtra. I told him if Mumbai if Mumbai has to become Singapore, it has to become a state, a province. So I only want to ask these politicians today, right? Why didn't you go out there and say, let's arrest Lee Kuan Yew? No. 1 second. Give me a straight answer. Yeah, why didn't you say? Why don't you case the state of Maharashtra should arrest Lee Kuan Yew?
First of all, I am not aware of what.
Well, I'm making you aware of that.
And moreover,
you are aware of Shobha De's tweet. You are not aware of this.
I am expressing what.
No, do you think Lee Kuan Yew should also have been arrested?
Maybe he is a foreigner. Whatever he has to say, let him say.
Well, he said this.
And we are not going after any soft target. Whoever we want to take on, we are straight and we will do that. It's not that soft target. Please don't say that.
No, but why didn't you say arrest Lee Kuan Yew? Why didn't you say arrest Lee Kuan Yew?
No, that's a different thing. I don't know even.
Why didn't you make a personal attack on Lee Kuan Yew?
That's a different thing.
No, why is it a different thing?
No, that's a different thing. I am not even aware of this.
I'm giving you the quote. I'll give you the quote. Will you file a case now against Lee Kuan Yew?
My boss will react up to the.
Will the Shiv Sena say file a case? Will you say Lee Kuan Yew was drunk when he said that?
1 minute.
No, was Lee Kuan Yew also part of page 3?
Will you allow me to complete now?
Will Lee Kuan Yew part of page 3?
Complete my argument, then I will speak. If Lee Kuan Yew has said this, it was part of his discussion, and it must be a
private.
It is a discussion between the Deputy Chief Minister or Home Minister of Maharashtra and the Singaporean authority. Here is a part of the discussion. If you and if I deliberate something and if make opinion.
Okay, Shobha De is on with us.
So what Shobha? If he has made this statement, it is as culpable as that.
Why I don't know. You know this whole. You want to arrest Shobha De now tonight?
Who said this?
You want to. This is your party is saying we want a case to be registered because there will be a law and order problem. It's as ridiculous as that. Shobha De, good evening. Can you hear me now? This is Arnab here. Shobha De from Kolkata.
Yes, good evening. I can hear you.
There's a huge debate going on about you. Some parties want you arrested. Some parties are saying things about you. Somebody is making personal comments. The debates become bigger. Every party is jumping over backwards to say something about you. Are you enjoying the attention, or will you backtrack?
No,
because some people are saying that you are going to now backtrack.
I will say. Well, Arnab, if that's meant to be a provocative statement, let me also answer you flatly, clearly and unambiguously. There's no question of backtracking and there's no question of defending it or apologizing to anyone, because what I've said is not offensive in the least bit. It is a satirical comment. I have a feeling that most of the people who are talking in the way that they are, irresponsibly and using the most vulgar and atrocious language, have probably not even read the tweet or do not follow satire as it's expressed in the English language. So I far from retracting it. I'm saying that it was an innocuous comment that's been blown out of all proportion. Surely these politicians, very busy politicians, very important politicians, have better things to do than react to a tweet which is based on something that happened in Telangana. It was not meant to suggest that Maharashtra and Mumbai should separate. It was merely meant to point out that today there are divisive forces in the country,
so I think you should
political opportunists taking advantage of situations. That's it.
Well, would you like to backtrack? Would you like to backtrack? Okay, we have two people here, Nitin Sardesai and Bharat Kumar Rao, who say they have read the tweet. Nitin Sardesai, would you like to backtrack here?
There is no question of backtracking. See,
where is she? Have you read the tweet?
Today,
you tell Shobha De where her tweet was wrong.
The important is the statement comes at the backdrop of Telangana. What happened in Telangana? The situation in Maharashtra is totally different. If this tweet would have been some other time, the reaction would not have been the same.
So what's wrong with her tweet?
Like
you tell her what is. No, I want you to address her directly and tell her what's wrong with her tweet.
Telangana is different. 1,000 people died because they wanted Telangana.
No, so what did Shobha De say wrong?
106 people laid their lives because they wanted Mumbai in Maharashtra.
No, you said a lot of things about Shobha De before she came on air. Why don't you repeat that?
Is different.
No, you said a lot of things about Shobha De when you said a lot of things. You said a lot of
something in the backdrop of Telangana. We will react like this.
No, but you said a lot of things about Shobha De.
It is reacting like this, and we are just representing those people.
Yes, Shobha De.
Arnab, this is not about giving us historical lessons in what happened in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. This is about a specific tweet. Either you understood the satire in it, which was not aimed at Maharashtrians or Maharashtra, and understand it in the context in which it was written. The reason I tweeted today about it is because Telangana happened today. it became the 29th state today. It had some relevance to a political situation which I see as can spiral out of control.
The Shiv Sena says. The Shiv Sena says.
And a very proud one.
No, Shiv Sena said. Shiv Sena said about what you said. I'm going to read it out and then I'll get Bharat Kumar out to respond. Because the Shiv Sena says people like Shobha De go to page 3 parties and have a free drink and burp. This is the statement of free liquor. This is the comment of the Shiv Sena. I've asked Bharat Kumar Raut about it. Bharat Kumar Raut, you still defend saying something like that?
It doesn't deserve a comment.
There you are, Bharat Kumar Raut. She said the comment of the Shiv Sena does not deserve a response. 1 second, let hear Bharat Kumar Raut.
Shobhaji, this is Bharat Kumar Rao if you don't have television in front of you. I don't want to make any comment about what Sanjay Raut has said because he is the leader of the party.
Nah.
I am here only saying that Shobha just now.
Bharat,
So she is not.
an apology coming from you.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Listen, Shobha, let me complete. Shobha, let me complete.
I'm sure you're ashamed as what you said.
Oh.
Shobha, let me complete. Let me complete, then we'll argue on that. What I am saying that though Shobha is saying that I am not backtracking, the fact that she has mentioned that she believes that Mumbai is an integral part of Maharashtra and there is no controversy about it, it means whatever she wanted to say. It is as good as backtracking. I'll understand backtracking.
She was giving her views. Come on.
She has clarified.
Where is she backtracking?
She has
no,
come
you
clean.
interpret the comment. You criticize her. You make a personal attack. Then you say she's backtracking.
Let her say that, that I am making a personal attack on her. Let her say that I am making a personal attack.
Every politician has made a personal attack on her.
Let her say that Bharat Kumar Rao had made a personal attack on her in this.
Not Bharat Kumar Rao, the Shiv Sena. There are the Shiv Sena.
I already given
the Shiv Sena, which said people from Shobha De page 3 culture have a free drink and burp. This is the statement
of hatred in this state.
Do you want to create that? Do you want to create a spirit system, atmosphere of intolerance in this state?
There is no question. There is no question. What I'm saying that if once Shobha says that she does not believe
should she get everything she has written approved by the Shiv Sena?
Mumbai should be separated from Maharashtra. The matter ends. She has almost clarified. She has come clean. So where is the question of controversy now? Am I right, Shobha De?
You're trying to put her in the dock.
Let her answer. She's capable of answering. She's capable of answering. Yes.
Bharat?
Yeah.
Bharat, I take your comments to come as an indirect apology from an uncouth colleague of yours.
I'm not saying apology.
I accept it with grace. But I'm treating it like that, just as you are reading into my words, I'm reading into what you're saying, and thank you very much, and let's drop that. I am, as I've said many times over, a very, very proud Mumbaikar, a very proud Maharashtrian. Who am I to suggest that there should be a different state? I would never, who am I? It's such an irresponsible comment for anyone to make. But that I have a right to express an opinion on the entire political scenario as one sees it, as any citizen, I have a right to make that comment. These are opportunistic times, and what we are seeing today, what's happened in Andhra can happen in Gujarat, in Rajasthan, in Punjab, anywhere else. There are special interest groups who can demand all kinds of things, and it will be eventually vote bank politics with different factions catering to different sentiments in any of these other states as well, including Maharashtra. That Bombay has had a special position not only in the hearts of Maharashtrians and Mumbaikars, but across the world and across India is not something that I'm revealing. Of course Mumbai is special. Of course it's the golden goose that has laid the golden eggs for years and years and centuries. There's nothing I've said that
point is about looking for controversy, Ms.
Shobha. Being touchy about it, I don't understand.
You feel, one second, you feel looking,
I don't understand
in 2005, addressing a conference in Mumbai, Chidambaram had said that metropolitan cities like Delhi and Mumbai need authority with sovereign character for better governance. At that time, Balasaheb Thackeray said, I will crush them, I will crush that tongue and the head, where he said, let it be anyone, I will not care, who talks about separation. The point is, do regional parties look for issues? And people like Shobha, they just become soft targets? Are you going to monitor every tweet and then, where you get an opportunity to express your regionalism, you go completely hyper on it? And then you make a mountain of a molehill.
Arnav, I don't understand.
Don't you think you've overreacted?
Arnav, I don't understand why people always say something about Mumbai only.
No,
now
Mumbai?
She's in Kolkata.
Yeah.
She's in Kolkata.
So?
Kolkata also is a metro city. there are people from all the other states staying there.
Yes, so
why she is not saying something in Calcutta that
what
Calcutta should be separated
you ask her, let him complete.
That Calcutta should be separated from Bengal. Why she is not saying about Chennai? That Chennai, if she says something
what
like
is
this,
she?
what
She's
people
picking
will
on
react.
Bengal.
Let her try and say something like this.
What do you
Then how
say?
people will react?
No, what are you saying? She's picking on Mumbai.
So it is,
Sorry, I
yes,
didn't say
yes.
it.
It's very easy to say
She
something
lives
about
in Mumbai.
I don't know. I don't. Then why she shouldn't have said
She
something
lives in
like
Mumbai.
that?
She said, I'm a Marathi mulgi many times. 1 second. Let her answer, please. 1 second.
And I have not suggested that we should separate. Obviously, this gentleman hasn't
Then
read
the debate
tweet.
is over.
I have not
If
anywhere
it is
suggested.
clearly.
Yeah, the
This
debate
her
is over.
tweet
There
clearly
a
is
non-issue.
indicating
I
that
don't know
she
why we
wants
are
to
talking
separate
about it.
Mumbai from Maharashtra.